988 mental health crisis hotline launched in July of 2022. Those who answer those calls in Owensboro say they're handling a record number of calls. Zariah Cole spoke with those answering the call for a closer look at the hotline's impact in this 14 News Peace of Mind story.
Well, Rob, crisis responders with River Valley Behavioral Health say the switch to the easy to remember 988 number has made a big difference with far more people reaching out for help. They say they've helped people experiencing mental health crisis and even helped to address their needs beyond that moment. They say as more people continue to use the hotline, they've been able to do more for them too. Since the 988 Lifeline replaced the previous 10-digit number, Kentuckians are reaching out for help in record numbers. River Valley Behavioral Health Crisis Director Heather Henderson says they saw a 26% increase in calls during the back half of 2022.
Well, I think people have a lot of things going on, and it's becoming more and more acceptable to talk about our mental health. You do not have to wait to call 988 until you're having thoughts of suicide. We don't want you to wait that long.
Those who answer the line say the nature of the calls has evolved too. While suicidal thoughts remain a focus, many people call to talk and de-stress.
You don't even have to know what you need or want. When you call 988, our call takers will help you figure that out.
Crisis line specialist Adriana Mundy says their priority is ensuring the caller's safety and making them feel heard. She says they balance active listening with assessing risks and checking for self-harm or suicidal plans.
If we can, be that that go-between, that step before to be able to interact, or help with that crisis before, we go to any kind of hospitalization. But I think the community, is always going to be in need.
Mundy says after difficult calls, responders prioritize their own mental health as well.
Just being able to be transparent and express those emotions that, we are human too, and making sure that we're taking care of ourselves, whether that's, like I said, verbally talking about it, sometimes, journaling, writing it down just to get it off, but definitely giving ourselves that time and break away if it is a difficult call.
Henderson says law enforcement involvement is a last resort, and they're involved in less than 1% of cases. Beyond crisis calls, they also connect people with essential resources like food and housing. They say they hope their work leads to more people prioritizing their mental health.
I would say it's just as important as making sure that you eat every day, making sure, you're clean every day. Having a good mental state controls everything that we do.
Responders say their priority is to make sure each caller is safe and feels supported. They say if you need help, remember 988 is available 24/7. If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, we have more resources listed on our website at 14news.com. Just click on the Peace of Mind image on the homepage.